To start your VDW Gold Reciproc, press the power key. You can find this key above the battery icon. When the battery symbol lights green, the motor is ready for use. After proper care and maintenance, the contra angle can be put on the micro motor. Then press the CAL key. The calibration is important to ensure the contra angle's torque accuracy. The contra angle needs to be calibrated every time it is put back on the motor. You can pre-select a file system with the help of the navigation pad. The VDW Gold Reciproc incorporates the reciprocating file system Reciproc from VDW, as well as all major rotary nickel titanium file systems. When working with the Reciproc system, only one setting is needed, Reciproc All, irrespective of the file size. If you have pre-selected a rotary file system, press the right arrow key to select the file size inserted in your contra angle. The motor then uses the correct torque value for each file size. This is important to ensure safe use of rotary file systems. Change the file sizes with the plus and minus keys. The VDW Gold Reciproc is a torque-controlled motor and has two safety features for rotary file systems. Pressing the ASR key controls the auto-stop reverse function. When the ASR key lights green, the torque level for each file size is monitored. When the preset torque limit is reached, the motor stops automatically and reverses into counterclockwise direction until the file has freed itself. Then, the motor will revert back to clockwise rotation. When the ASR key is not lit, the motor stops once the torque limit has been reached. However, the motor will not reverse in counterclockwise direction. When the ASR key lights red, the motor will turn in counterclockwise rotation only. The second safety function for rotary file systems is activated by the ANA key. The abbreviation ANA stands for the word anatomy, or rather difficult anatomy. When the ANA key lights green, all torque values are lowered. This can be helpful when preparing difficult canal anatomies. By pressing the menu key, you can change settings. Volume for the motor and apex locator warning signals can be set individually. You can show and hide file systems according to personal preference. To do this, select System with the help of the plus and minus keys. Use the right arrow key to move to the right and then select the desired file system by using the plus or minus key. Select On or Off and then save your changes by pressing the Confirm key. You can select either German or English as display languages. The apical auto stop for the apex locator can be activated or deactivated. An additional function is the reciproc reverse comfort function. This two-step indicator gives an early feedback in the case of increased friction of the reciproc instrument. It is especially helpful for new reciproc users. The VDW Gold Reciproc comes with an integrated apex locator. The LED indicator for electronic length determination is located on the left. More details on this in a separate video.